Today I'm gonna show you an easy way to create a high converting landing page within just a couple of minutes, what you should write, and 2 tricks to help you get the best results possible. A landing page is incredibly important for your online business, side hustle, whatever you're doing. If it doesn't convert, it means that you're not getting leads. And if you're not getting leads, that means that you're not going to make any money. Let's change that. So to save you a lot of time, I have created a template for you which you can access by clicking the link below this video. So in this funnel template, I have a landing page and a thank you page. And on the thank you page, I have a tip that will help you get a lot of open rates for your emails. So be sure to keep watching. So I'm gonna click on edit page and show you everything that you need to know. Now at the top we have our logo. Now if you do not have a logo, you can create one fairly easily inside of Canva, or you can just use a symbol. Then also make sure that you're doing the same thing for the mobile version right here, because these are 2 different sections. So be sure to edit 2 times. Now the way you can do this is you can click on the image right here, click on upload image right here, and you can upload your image from your laptop, or you can click on your images if you have already uploaded it. Then click on the image and click on insert. And right now you can see that we have changed the image. If you want to change the dimensions, so how big it is, you can do that right here. Then right here we have the title, and here is where we are going to explain what our lead magnet is. Oh, by the way, if this video is helpful to you in any way, then be sure to smash that like button. It would really help me out. Let's say I'm giving away a 6-pack training, then it will be training reveals how to get a 6-pack with no effort and no problems. Then right here, write what it will not do. So it will not give them any problems. It will take them no effort. Now this is of course not for a 6-pack because you definitely need to put in a bit of effort, but you get the idea. Then right here, click the button below and you'll get step-by-step training, and then send me the training. Now if you want to edit this, you click on the button right here, go to button text and type in, maybe it is a video that you're giving away as a lead magnet, then you simply type in video. Now this button will open the pop-up, but that is something that I'll show in just a minute. Then again, for the text here, learn the best way to, and then get a 6-pack, write a song, play the guitar, then what you'll learn. So let's say it's a dog training. Maybe this will be like what you'll learn, how to make sure that your dog never misbehaves, or how to make sure that your dog doesn't poop in the living room, and so on, so on, so on. And make sure that you are using the 3 most important factors that is going to persuade the people on your landing page to sign up for the training, video, ebook, whatever your lead magnet is. Then right here we have our social proof. Now in case you do not have social proof, like, don't worry, because the best thing is of course a rating, so you have like a couple of ratings already, but you can also simply type what other people think of this. Maybe you have someone on your list which you can ask to write a review or whatever. I mean, you can even just ask your mom, like just ask your mom, please read this or go through the training, and then write a little, bit of text. Or maybe you can hire someone on Fiverr to give you a review. Now again, keep in mind that you don't necessarily need social proof. It's just something that will give you a little bit of a boost, because you can do without the social proof. I've done a lot of landing pages without the social proof, but this is just something that I wanted to show you, because you can add this to your landing page to give it that extra bit of spice. Then right here, just give 3 benefits, like why should they choose this training, ebook, video. So like faster progress, keep doing the things you love while achieving results, like track your process and see results increase every week. Whatever it is, just write it right here. Then right here at the bottom, it will say copyright, and then simply write your name or your company name. Now for the pop-up, right here, go to pop-ups right here and click on the eye icon right there. Then you can edit your pop-up right here. In case you want a different color for the button, click on the button, scroll down, background color, change it. Now I'm also going to show you how to change the background and the colors, so be sure to stay tuned. When you click on the button, you want to enable the double opt-in. This makes sure that people need to confirm their email address, so you don't have fake emails on your email list. And I'm also going to show you a method that will help you get a lot of open rates on your emails in just a minute. Now all the buttons and everything is set to make sure that it opens the pop-up and that it goes to the next page, but you want to make sure that you check it. So right now the background and the colors of your landing page. To make it really easy for yourself, go to a site called mycolor.space. Now I will link this down below so you can find it really easy. But what you want to do is you want to choose one primary color for your landing page. Let's say you choose a blue color or a green color. Just search up in Google like nice green colors for website or landing page. Then just choose one color, copy the color code, then go to mycolor.space and paste the color code right here. Then click on generate. It has now given me a couple of color palettes that I can use for my landing page. Then for the picture background that we have just seen, you can click on create design, then search up wall and it will show desktop wallpaper. Click that one, then go to elements. So let's say I'm in the money niche. I'm just going to search up money, click on photos and choose one of these. Then I'm going to swipe it on here and I'm going to click on transparency and put this down. Then what you want to do is you have just chosen your color palette. Let's say you have chosen a light blue. Then you click on the photo, click on position and click right here on the background. Click on this bit, background color, and then you can choose a color. So a light blue right here, or maybe this one, maybe this one, this one, this one, yeah, whatever. You can now choose your color. And this makes sure that it still fits inside of your color palette. Then download this, go back to your funnel, click on the section right here and click right here on upload. Click on select file and select the image that we have just downloaded. Then click on it and click on insert. And right now it has inserted it into our page. Now you can edit this into your own liking. Now the same goes for the button, for the background colors right here. You simply click on background color, choose a different color right there or paste in the color code. Then for this bit right here, so for the image, because this is also an image, the stars, in case you have a rating of 4 stars, maybe 5 stars, or whatever you want to use, you go to Canva, click on create new design, click on custom size and type in 100 width and 300 height. Then you can search up half rating star. This has given me the best results. And in case you have, let's say 3.5 stars, now I wouldn't recommend putting this on your landing page, but what you're doing is you're going to swipe this right here, double click, and now you can edit this. So let's say I want to use that one. Then I'm just going to crop this and then enlarge. And as you can see, I can now download this and put this on my landing page. The same goes for 5 stars. Right here you have a 5 star that isn't pro. I can just use this one, make it bigger. But let's say, you have 4 stars. Now you can look this up in Canva right here for 4 stars. Oh, right here. I mean, you have it right here, 4 stars. But what you can also do is double click again, crop it down right there. But make sure that it stays there so people know that there should be another star right there. Then for the thank you page, and this is really important, you need to thank them for signing up. Now this is of course normal, but also what you need to do is you need to ask them, like, check your email box and confirm your email address. Like, make sure that you're reminding them that you have sent them an email. A lot of people just sign up, click off, forget that they have ever gotten an email. Now let's say the email ends up in the spam folder. Like, it doesn't usually happen, but it can happen. If they see this, so they need to check their email inbox and confirm their email address, they are more likely to go to their email and check their email, check their spam folder to make sure that they have gotten the email. So this will just massively improve your open rates. Then of course a share button, but that is something that I'm going to share in a minute. So right now, to make sure that you are automating the entire process and making sure that everything works well, you need to go to automations and rules. Then click on create, and right here you need to set up an automation rule. So when someone signs up for your funnel, so let's just see, trigger, click on funnel step form subscribed, choose your funnel and then choose the landing page funnel step. Then For the action, click on add a tag because you want to make sure that you are tagging every single contact. Then also, of course, what I recommend is click on subscribe to campaign because you also want to subscribe them to an email campaign. In case you're wondering how to create tags, go to contacts, click on tags, click on create, enter the name and click on save. So let's get back to that share button that I've just shown you. Now, if you want to find out more about how to use this and how to multiply your leads by 4 or even 10 times, then click the video right here to check out how to do that. But for now, have a great day.